Samsung S25 Ultra. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's explore what makes it a true Ultra experience. First up, design. The S25 Ultra sports an elegant titanium frame that combines durability with a premium feel, plus smooth, rounded edges for comfort in hand. The display is stunning, a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED with QHD plus resolution, up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and up to 2600 nits peak brightness. It's vivid, fast, and immersive. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy delivers blazing performance, up to 40% faster and 30% more efficient than its predecessor. The S25 Ultra shines with its camera setup: a massive 200MP wide lens, a 50MP ultra-wide, plus 3 and 5 telephoto lenses, and a 12MP selfie cam. Paired with Samsung's AI-powered ProVisual engine, you get stunning clarity and color every time. The 5000 mAh battery offers long endurance, expect up to 31 hours of video playback, and supports fast 45 West wired and 15 West wireless charging. One of the most exciting parts, Galaxy AI. From circle to search and seamless multi-search to smart translation and digital writing assist, this phone elevates productivity and convenience. Memory is 12GB, RAM 16GB in some regions, with storage options spanning to 156GB to 1TB. You also get top-tier connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, UWB, and USB-C 3.2. The S25 Ultra ships with Android 15 and One UI 7 and brings Samsung's promise of 7 years of updates, reinforcing its longevity and future-proofing. It comes in a sleek palette: titanium, silver blue, black, gray, and white silver. Pricing starts around $1,299 for the 256GB model, going up for higher capacities. Major tech reviewers like TechRadar and Tom's Guide recognize the S25 Ultra as the leading Android smartphone of 2025, thanks to its unmatched AI integration, camera prowess, and battery performance. To sum it up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another flagship. It's Samsung's most refined and feature-rich Galaxy yet. Whether you're a content creator, multitasker, or camera buff, this phone has something exceptional for you. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.